Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Gia and the John Bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna show everybody kind of how to make some money buying a call. It's different than buying stocks. You buy 100 shares of a company. Well, you don't buy 100 shares, you buy the right to buy 100 shares. You're pretty much betting with 100 shares instead of having to go buy 100 shares, which would cost a lot of money, of like say this stock, ICLN. You pay a little premium for the right to buy them later, or you could sell that premium to someone else, which is the idea, which is what most people do. So, buying a call option for potential 4 times or more profit. The stock is ICLN, a global kind of ETF that tracks solar companies and solar energies and stuff. It's at $24.99, or it was when I started doing this. It's the industry is a solar and exchange traded fund. Good. It's a good exchange traded funds are some of my favorites right now. And let's see if my math checks out. We'll see what happens. We can always go back and look at this. So you got a buying a call here. So for this purposes, we're doing the $24 call right here near the bottom. The break even is $27.75. It's to break even, it's got to go up at least 11.02%, and it's going to cost $375 times 100 shares, so that's $375, and it's gone up. They're charging 15% more than they were, whatever, an hour ago or a day ago. It's 15% higher right now than it was just recently, because the stock's going up apparently. So up at the top here it says July 16th, 2021. So I'm saying in 7 months, on July 16th, 2021, I will buy 24 I will pay $24 right here for 100 shares. I'm agreeing with whoever this person is, telling them I think it's worth money. I will pay $24 for these shares, 100 shares, and I'll give you, they want $375 right now for that right to do that. So I know it'll take it'll need to get at least to $27.75 right here, the break even, for me to start making money. It's at 25 right now, and I have 7 months to get over 11%. So let's see why I would want to do this. Well, so here's a little description here. So you pay $375, because you're actually betting on 100 shares. Okay, remember, this is important. You are not buying the shares unless you want to later. You are paying a premium of $375 or $375 to bet with 100 shares. So if you buy this one, it expires on July 16th, 2021. You give $375 when the stock finally goes up 11% here, which it should in 7 months, because it's solar and it's going crazy right now. For a solar stock ETF, what the F? That means for every dollar over $27.75, once it starts making you money, every dollar over that, you're making $100. So when it gets to $28.75, you're making $100, because you have 100 shares of this. You don't have 100 shares. You're betting 100 shares. You didn't have to buy them, so you don't really own the shares. You're playing with 100 shares. So are you following, people? Okay. So with my limited understanding of math, let's see what it has done in the past 3 months, shall we? Okay. So 3 months. Now this doesn't mean it's going to keep doing this. It doesn't mean if we go back a year, it could have been way down, it could have been way up. But I already looked at this, and let's look what it did in this 3 months, because I like the trajectory it's going in the year and the 6 months. So let's just say 3 months, it's gone almost 46%, which is really good. So if you average that, blah, 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 almost 46%. Then this guy is talking about Nick, little Fuzzle Dick. Do you need Robinhood Gold for the call and put options? I don't know. I think you do. Yeah, you do. So I said, let's assume, but I didn't see his thing. I was all caught up. Let's assume it keeps going at this pace, 46%, which it may or may not. Who knows really? But I have faith in this stock. So if it's going up 46% in 3 months, it's about 15.3% a month growth. Okay, let's say it doesn't go that fast. It starts to slow down. Let's be conservative just in case it slows down. Say about 12% a month. Okay, you with me? The stock is at $25 right now. It's growing 12% a month average. We're going to be holding on to this stock for about 7 months till July 16th. That's when we told the guy we were going to pay him $24 or whatever. So 12% over 7 months every month is 84%. Has the potential more, even more, maybe less, hopefully not less. So $25 stock right now that I'm going to pay 24 for. I think it was $24.99, whatever. Times 84% is $21 gain. So 25, what we agreed to pay, plus 21 is $46 in 7 months. It might be at. It has the potential, if everything keeps going in this direction, to be at $46 stock price by July 16th. So if it keeps going at this explosive rate, mind you, 12%, 10%, whatever, if I have 100 shares and with a buy option that I bought at $27.75 because I'm buying it for 24, but I had to pay $3.75, so it's really, I really bought it for $27.75 with the money I had to put in. The point where I started making the money was at $27.75. So everything over that, the break-even point, and now this stock is worth $46 in 7 months. I have $46 worth of 100 shares at $46 minus the $27.75 I had to pay for them. I didn't really have to pay. I only paid $3.75. But if I wanted to buy them on July 16th, then that would give me $18.25 profit. But remember, that's times 100 shares. So I have $1,825 profit. Minus the $3.75, of course, that I paid today, which means I paid, so 7 months ago, I made over $1,400 profit on a $375 investment. Not too bad. It might be a little confusing, but hopefully you start to understand. So then I said, I'm not sure if you need a gold account, possibly, but it's only $5 a month. I do it. Plus, then you can use margin, which I don't recommend. Trust me, you borrow from Robinhood. Not good. I know. I'm a degenerate gambler. Nice. So point is, options can be confusing at first, but it can be very rewarding money. But there's a lot more variables and things I didn't quite get into. Like over a year, I only did 3 months. Over the year, it's only been growing at about 10% a month, which is still great. But that's not certain either. It could go crashing down. Corona 2.0, all kinds of stuff can happen. But you got to do your homework, research, do your own stuff. But this is a basic understanding. I say try one like this stock, maybe a smaller one with only worth $2 or $3 or $4, and kind of play with it, see how it works. Don't spend too much on it at first so that you can kind of get it. But I mean, these ones I like, especially right now. It's good. It's probably a great thing to do. The more you have, the more you should probably try to do it, because solar's exploding right now. And I'll show you why here in a second, why I think it's great with one of my own stocks or my own options that I bought. So I'm not just saying these things. I'm showing you that I'm doing it, putting my money where my mouth is. See? Oh, and on July 16th, if the stock is at 46, you could sell your option for those $100 or 100 shares for your $1,800 profit. Or you could buy the 100 shares instead that you agreed to buy at $24, but you have to have 24 times 100 laying around, so $2,400. If you have $2,400 and you want to keep the stocks, just give the guy $2,400 and you get to keep the 100 shares. They're worth 46, so you're still up 1,800. But then you have the stocks, and if they go down, then your profit starts to go down. But also, if it goes up, you have 100 shares to keep going up. So this is one I got. You can see here, I paid $235. So $235 is what I paid a couple weeks ago. It's gone up about 48.94%. So it's gone up almost 50%. It's worth $350 now, the market value. It's $3.50 is the current price, which is $350. So I've already made in a couple weeks 50% on my money. Now, if I had bought in this stock with $230 instead of buying this option, I wouldn't be up as much money right now. So you can see I'm already up 48%. I spent $235. It currently sells right now at $350. So I could have bought 10 shares about $22 a couple weeks ago. They would be worth $25 now. So I'd still be up $30 if I had bought in the actual shares with my money. But that same money is up $115. So I spent $230 on this option of the stock, or you could buy the stock and actually have the stock. But buying the stock, I'm only up 30. Buying the option right now, I'm up 115. So that's almost 3 or 4 times already right there, a difference. And this is only because, solar is exploding. I bought the option on a dip. All the stocks had dropped one day, like dramatically. Every stock across the board was pretty much dropping. I saw an opportunity. I jumped on it. Like I say, it's hard out here for a pimp. So options also you have to take hype, the speculation, the amount of time until it's about to expire, so that that all drives the options higher, not relative to the stock. So the stock might only go up 10%, but the options are going up 20%. You're like, what's going on? It's because they see the potential of it. It's called the, I forget what they call it, the implied value or whatever. But so the closer it gets to the expiration, the more normal and similar to the stock price it's going to get. Meaning, if it's only up $5 at expiration, like nearing when you're about to tell the guy you're going to buy it, then it's only going to be 5. It's not going to be wildly different anymore. It's not going to be 40% higher than the stock price. It's going to be around the same as whatever the stock price is at. If that makes sense. I don't know. I probably didn't explain that part very well, but you'll understand once you start messing with it. Okay. But you could also sell your option at any time before July 16th. You don't have to hold it on to the very end of your contract. If it's up right now, mine is up, whatever, 50%, I can sell it right now. Someone wants to buy it, I'll sell it. I made, whatever I made, $70 or whatever. And I'm happy because I made money. In 1 week, I made 50% profit on that money. So that's pretty good. That's what this guy was wondering, if you could sell them before they expire. Yes, you can. So if it's up 200% in a week, why not sell it? Like it might just keep going down from there, depending on when it expires or what the stock market's doing. It could go the other way. So you might want to sell it if you already doubled or tripled your money. There's no shame in selling something and making double or triple your money. I think anytime you double your money, you're doing something right. So then we start talking about other stuff, blah, 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 grow. But that's kind of a basic understanding of buying a call. Check it out, guys. Dip your toes in it. If it's around this time right now, December, what is this, the 15th, 16th or whatever, December 15th, then I would say try one of these stocks, especially this ICLN, anything solar ETF. If it's growing 10, 15% a month, and it looks like it's been doing that steadily for months, it's probably a good idea to buy a call a few months out, at least 3 or 4 or 5, 6 months out. And if we got this crazy fluctuations, then you're probably going to make some money. So good luck. And Yep. Good luck. Make some money, guys. I'll be expecting 5% when you become millionaires. All right. Adios, muchachos.